What's up, everybody? It's Brother Mighty Prophet, man. Back again with another video. What we're about to do today, man, we're about to install some of these LED lights. They're gonna be pretty much, I'm using as fog lights. So I'm gonna put those in a specific place, my bad. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you go and like and share the video. Smash that subscribe button, man. A lot of good content coming for y'all. So really smash the subscribe buttons and also hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. Let's get into it, man. My wires right here. This should be pretty simple. So the instructions on here are kind of weird. So if you can see it, get that light out the way. Wiring instructions for changing this type. So there's a white and a black wire. The white wire is a positive wire as well. So, and once again, I'm gonna put the link in the description as well. The white wire is a positive wire. Obviously, the black is a negative. And they have a red AC wire, which is just a positive wire as well, or power wire as well. There's no blue wire. There's just two yellow wires, and that's it. So I'm gonna show y'all right now. This came with a kit. It came with zip ties and everything. But this is how it looks. I thought it would be different. I really didn't expect it to come like this. So we got this wire connected. So we have that that red and white wire, which should be the power. And then we have our ground as well. So I'm gonna hook these in first just to test it. So I thought I can just wire here, but I gotta move my whole light assembly. So also going to install my blue lights I ordered as well. It's gonna be a separate video, so I know we might be posting before or after I post that video. So let's get into it. So we will need a 8mm head socket. Screws out. Got the top two out, so we can get one more out. The clip right there. This right here. You need to put your head in there. Push it down. The light assembly should come all the way out. Yep. Simple as that. Remove this connector right here. Connects to your headlight assembly. So it's only held on by three screws. Connect our white and red wire. These two. To the ground. Make sure you have some wire strippers as well. So before we put anything back together, we want to test the wire, or not test the wire, but test the connection. So I need that. So what we need to do, see, you see this light didn't come on when I press my key fob, right? For obvious reasons, it's not, the actual headlamp is not plugged in. So let's plug the headlamp in first. So it does work, as you see. This is gonna be it's a daytime running light, a DRL. So it does cut on. Trying to, hold on, tilt it for y'all. So it does come on with the regular headlights. It cuts off as well. You know that works. So now we just gotta make sure that we connect this to the actual left turn signal. So let's see on the left turn signal as well. So let's use our wire stripper. The wire. So I don't know which wire it is because they're both yellow. So I'm going to test both of them. Go ahead and strip this other one as well. So we want to make sure we put our 3 screws back. So we got here, here, and here. So I have my driver's side light. I have it going down here, which I can't see. Try to dim it up. My phone camera is dead, and I have it coming through right here. And then I have my light right here. So I'm gonna put my light right here. This comes with what's it called? Comes with a pack of screws, 2 each. So all I'm gonna do is screw mine in. We have this in and this in. So, real quick, man, these sequential lights, it's hard to tell, but they do go all the way across, you know what I'm saying? These are new. I got rid of my trunk light. Really didn't like it like that, so I do have this light now. And I have those as well, my fog lights. I do have my fog lights. It's kind of hard to tell. Once again, it's kind of hard to tell on this video because of the lights. They're bright as hell. I'm not sure what it is, but it's kind of hard to get like a really clear video of it. You can see right now, they're like hazy, like on the video, but I don't know what it is, but I can't, there's no way for me to get them clear. Once I get close, it's still like bright as hell, I guess. I guess it's just because of the brightness. Other than that, man, this is gonna wrap it up for this video, man. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, man. Also, make sure you like and share this video as well, man. It's about like